Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over the trades I have on Tastyworks. This is one of my accounts. Everything I show you is only for entertainment purposes only. Do not follow what I'm doing. I am not a financial advisor. However, with that being said, everything I do here is on live trading with options. Sometimes I do demo trade on Nadex, but with options, it's all live. Tastyworks does not have a demo account, so everything you do will be on a live account. Now you see these trades here, these are my swing trades, okay? And if I quickly just disable this, you also see I have another account, a live account. If this was a demo account, it would say paper trading right here between the real time. It would say paper trading delayed data, or you could get paper trading real-time data, but obviously this is a real account because you could ask Thinkorswim, paper trading would say paper trading. So if we go to monitor here, you'll see the trades that I'm in on this account. Pretty small account. I'm up $88 on the day, which is roughly over 10% on the account. But these are the trades I have going on this account. It's really small, so I'm not going to be basing any trades off here. I could show you this in another time, in another video, another time. But what I want to show you is some trades that I am in on my Tastyworks account, and I do have a bigger Thinkorswim account, but for this purpose only, I'm going to be showing you guys the results on Tastyworks. They're not really all that great. I just want to show you because I just got in most of these positions today, okay? Aside from SPY, XXII, and Urban, I've been in these trades I've been in since Friday, but the rest of them I only started today. So the SPY here and the AMD are credit spreads. If you don't know what credit spreads are, basically you're hedging two trades against each other, and you're hoping the larger size one wins to outset the loss on the other one. So right here, this one is giving me $46, okay? So the max I could earn on this credit spread is $46 because the difference between the buy and the sell is only $46. So if it's $47, then I'm in loss by $1. And the SPY one, it was only a $24 one, $25 because you see it's plus 6 and it's 19 here. 19, 20 plus 5 is 25. So you're getting $25 on this. It has a 84% chance of winning, okay? The credit spreads are really good when you have the probability of profit. However, the other ones will seem lower. You'll see like 23%, 30, 32, 27, and this is because these trades are swing trades, so I don't expect them to be high probability. I could get high probability strikes, but the thing is they cost way more. The trade prices that I'm in right now, as you can see, I've invested in these trades about 724. The market price of it is 750. So I mean, it's not much right now because, like I said, I entered them mostly today. Aside from these three trades, SPY, XXII, and Urban. So let's take a look at some of these trades really quick on the chart. So the first one we'll look at is the SPY. Right here I have, let me go to SPY. So this is where I got the SPY trade on this arrow here. And as you saw, it's lining up pretty nicely on the EMAs. And overall, it looks like it broke all-time high and it was in good shape. So I got in this trade, and my strike is around 7378, so 78 right here. So I'm basically on my credit spread on SPY. I am basically saying that price will not end below 378. If you go down here, you'll see both strikes, 378, 376. But basically what this did is it cost two points, which is $200, okay? But because I got 25 out of it, it's only 175. So it's roughly a 10%. The max I could earn is 10% of what I put in, and I only put in 175, right? So not too much. So like over 10% is like $25, whatever. Not the best risk reward, but it's a very high probability trade, because if I show you again on the chart, by the 19th it has to end below 78, which is right here. and I just don't think it's going to do that. It's going to rally up a little bit more before dropping, and hopefully by then we would have locked in some profit. So the next trade was Urban. Now this trade here, we didn't get in on the arrow. We got in the next day, because the reason why I didn't enter on this candle is because we had this trend line, right? You see this trend line right here, and price touched it right there and then reversed. So I wanted to see what price would do the next day, and as you see, price touched it again, then reversed. And I got in right here because it didn't make a big reversal closing below here, so it still tells me it's bullish. So I got in this trade on Friday, and now we are in profit. If I go back to the Tastyworks, you'll see that this trade is currently up 15. Okay, so I spent 128 on the trade, $128, and right now if I was to get out right now, I would get out at 147. So not much, only a 15.2% gain. I'm still holding it. It's a swing trade, right? So the expiry is all the way on March 19th. So I'm very confident in this trade. And let's take a look at IMMR. Alright, in this trade here, you do see an up channel, but I'm not too worried about this up channel. What I'm mostly paying attention to is the pattern it made here. So it made a new high, completely reversed, but then came back up, failed to break it, right? Failed to go up to the high, reversed a little bit, and then now it broke the high. So when it broke the high today, I entered this trade. So I'm holding this for 2 months, right? And what I'm thinking about this is that it's gonna go up to the high, the all-time high over here, and that's what we're gonna look at. So waiting to see what it does. If it doesn't provide any gains, if it goes back underneath the 34, I'm gonna exit this trade. And let's see, if I go back here, let's take a look at this. We'll take a look at one more before we looked at IMMR. We'll take a look at Comcast, and then we'll take a look at one of the ones that is losing. So CSA. Alright, so here, another one of those like Urban, had a little channel here, was ranging in the channel pretty nicely. It dropped below the channel right here to take out anybody who had stops underneath here, and now it broke. It tried to break it, failed, didn't create a lower low, and is actually trying to break it right now. So I actually have good faith in this trade. And anyway, that's why I took this trade. So, and it's also another swing trade, right? So if we look here, if I go back to, let's see, where is it? Right here, 5.9%. So it's not doing, it just started today. Most of these trades just started today, so I'm not really expecting any big winners today. You know, it's up 5.9%. This one's up 10%. This is the amount I put in. So overall, I have 724 in the account, and if I was to close out all the trades, I would have 751 in the trades. But this is not my total buying power. This is just the amount of money I put into these trades right here. So let's look at these two trades. Last one we'll look at is actually SVMK. So let's take a look at SVMK, and then I'll end this trade. I don't want it to end this video. I don't want it too long. So here's another one of those triangles right here. You see this channel, and then it broke it, and then today it was trying to make the retracement right here. So either tomorrow it's gonna make the full retracement and then go up, or it's just gonna shoot up tomorrow. So I'll be watching this. I don't expect it to fully shoot up. You know, it might consolidate a little bit before going up, but overall I'm very bullish on this. As you can see here, it had this bull run, then it created a pattern here on the, like a flag, and now it broke through on the top side. And yeah, I definitely see it going higher. It's at all-time highs, which is another good sign. So yeah, let's see what goes on there. Let's see, maybe I'll look at one more trade. Let's take a look at one more. trade that I took, which is, we'll take a look at one of the random ones here, XXII. So we'll take a look at that one. Alright, so similar pattern here. Had the bull run, created a flag right here. I didn't draw the bottom. I don't think I need to draw this part, right? Because you guys can see it. It's a bull flag right here. Tried to break it. It's making higher lows. Trying to break. Failed. Tried again. Failed. Finally broke it. Came down. I took it right here when it came down, because what happens is it's testing this level right here to go back up. And as you see today, it's actually a green candle. So we'll see how these swings go. I'm not holding them for too long, but this is why I took some of these swings. I do have plenty more swings on my other account. I just haven't showed you guys because they're not really that relevant, you know. I'm just showing you guys one account at a time. You know, if I went here and I showed you one of these trades that I have going, if I go to, let's say, J Blue. Let's take a look at J Blue on this account. Same thing. As you could see, it had a bull flag on this resistance point here. We had an arrow, broke through, came down. I took it. Now it's going back up. So this here tomorrow, I'm hoping it's around $18 tomorrow when it opens up. Some of these stocks do have earnings, so gotta watch out for that. But yeah, that's one of my favorite ones right now that I'm hoping breaks out is this one here. It kind of broke out today, but I think we might see a drop to the point here before it shoots even further, but we'll see what happens here. I guess you guys could see the pattern if I zoom out a little bit. Bull run, flag. We got an arrow. I was waiting for it to break this level. Got in, and now we're waiting. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and these are the trades that I'm in. I am not a financial advisor. Do not follow my trades. I'm just letting you know why I got into these trades.